Hello everyone, and welcome to Quad Tech. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide a folder in Windows. This is a simple yet effective way to keep your files private and organized. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how to hide a folder. Follow these steps. Go to the folder you want to hide. Right-click on the folder and select Properties from the menu. In the General tab, under Attributes, check the box next to Hidden. Click Apply and then OK. Now, let's talk about how to unhide a folder if you need to access it again. Go to Search Bar and search File Explorer. Open it. Go to the View tab. Check Hidden Items in the Show Unhide section. Navigate to the folder you want to unhide. It will appear semi-transparent. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to hide and unhide folders in Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Quad Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.